Hi everyone. Well, these Wednesdays are coming around faster and faster. I say it every time, but it's true. This week I've not got a great deal of painting done. It's just been far too warm in this room to paint really. The paint's literally been drying on my wet palette, which is just insane. It got to 40 degrees in here. Yeah, that's not fun. What I have been doing though is with the release of the Killlteam announcement last week and pre-orders going live at the start of next month, I've been thinking more about Killlteam than I normally do, which is quite a lot to be fair. I'm thinking what I want to do is I'm building my full company of Dark Angels that I'm obviously not going to be playing full fat 40k with because I'm not interested in full fat 40k. But I want to cherry pick a couple of models and make a really nice kill team. Just like a really cool core kill team of named characters, or more named characters, since they're all going to be named. And just really flesh that out. So yeah, I've started to give that some thought. I'm going to be working on that. I've got a couple of things finished. So the first lot of Deathwing aggressors are finished now. I've started properly on the Ravenwing. I've almost finished building my first lot of assault marines. That was an interesting one. I've kind of mixed things up a little bit. I don't know. I like the poses, but I'm not a huge fan of the assault intercessors. I don't know what it is about them. And I've got a fair few to do, so I'm really trying to mix those up, and they're going to be my Stormwing. And I've finished the first lot of Inceptors as well, so that's out the door. What else? And I've been thinking about Watchers in the Dark and how I can incorporate those as well. So outside of the kill team stuff, which obviously is the big thing, I've been thinking about scenery as well and how I can incorporate what I've got. I've had an opportunity from one of the companies that I've been working with to do something pretty epic. And it's just rolling that into something that's playable in Killlteam rather than something that just looks cool. Obviously I want to be able to use it in games, so that's kind of what's been on my mind. So yeah, not a great deal of progress this week. Stuff has been done, but it's just been finishing off stuff that's been on my desk and getting some videos sorted out. So putting all of those together, so I've got a nice little catalogue of how to paint my Deathwing, how to paint my Greenwing, and upcoming Ravenwing and Stormwing. So yeah, that's it. What have you guys been on with? Let me know down in the comments. And I'll see you on Saturday for this week's video. Okay, have a good hobby week, guys. See ya!